Hi there, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe to keep watching our videos. Ever wondered why some years bring about catastrophic weather conditions across the globe? Could El Niño be the culprit? Yes, our planet is indeed a mysterious place, and one of its most intriguing mysteries lies in the heart of the Pacific Ocean. This mystery is known as El Niño, a climatic phenomenon that cyclically impacts various regions of the world. El Niño, or the boy in Spanish, is characterized by abnormal warming of surface waters in the Pacific Ocean's equatorial region. This change disrupts atmospheric circulation patterns and influences the global climate. The consequences? Some years it triggers severe droughts in one part of the world, and in another, it causes devastating floods. But why does this happen? What triggers El Niño? And how does a change in the Pacific Ocean's temperature result in such drastic shifts in weather patterns? Join us as we journey into the heart of the Pacific Ocean to unravel the secrets of El Niño. In the equatorial Pacific, something unusual happens every few years. A climatic phenomenon known as El Niño begins to stir. Born in the warm waters of the Pacific Ocean, El Niño is a natural event that dramatically alters the planet's weather patterns. But what, you might ask, is El Niño? In essence, El Niño is characterized by an abnormal warming of surface ocean waters in the equatorial Pacific. Under normal conditions, trade winds blow across the Pacific, pushing warm surface waters towards Asia and allowing cooler, nutrient-rich waters to rise to the surface near South America. However, during an El Niño event, these trade winds weaken, and in some cases, even reverse. This allows a vast pool of warm water to drift back towards South America, preventing the upwelling of cooler, nutrient-rich waters. The result? A significant increase in sea surface temperatures across the equatorial Pacific. But El Niño isn't just a marine event. This warming of the ocean has profound effects on the atmosphere, altering weather patterns on a global scale. You see, warmer sea surface temperatures fuel more evaporation, leading to increased moisture in the air. This, in turn, affects atmospheric pressure patterns, causing shifts in the jet streams that guide weather systems. The consequences of these shifts can be far-reaching, from increased rainfall in some regions leading to floods and landslides, to decreased rainfall in others, resulting in severe droughts. El Niño has the power to disrupt weather patterns across the globe, affecting billions of people in its wake. And while El Niño events are a natural part of our planet's climate system, their frequency and intensity may be influenced by climate change. As our planet warms, so do our oceans, potentially providing more fuel for these powerful climatic events. But what does this mean for us on land? Let's explore the effects of El Niño. From severe droughts to devastating floods, El Niño is no child's play. This climatic phenomenon, characterized by the abnormal warming of the Pacific Ocean's surface waters, has far-reaching effects that ripple across the globe. In some parts of the world, El Niño brings about parching droughts that scorch the earth and wither vegetation. This can lead to food shortages and famine, especially in regions heavily dependent on agriculture. In stark contrast, other regions find themselves grappling with the opposite extreme. The altered atmospheric patterns can trigger torrential downpours, resulting in devastating floods and landslides. Homes get washed away, communities are uprooted, and lives are tragically lost. But the impact of El Niño is not just confined to land. The warmer sea surface temperatures can fuel the intensification of storms and hurricanes. These powerful weather systems can wreak havoc across coasts, causing widespread destruction and loss. And the intriguing part? El Niño is cyclical in nature. It is not a one-time event, but a recurring phenomenon that can strike every 2 to 7 years. Each event varies in intensity and duration, making it a complex climatic puzzle for scientists to decipher. Yet, despite its destructive potential, El Niño is not inherently malicious. It is a natural part of our planet's climatic system, a powerful reminder of the intricate and delicate balance that governs our world's weather and climate. However, the human cost of these events cannot be ignored. The impact on agriculture, infrastructure, and human lives is immense and often disproportionately affects the most vulnerable communities. Understanding and predicting El Niño is therefore critical in helping these communities prepare and mitigate its effects. El Niño's reach is far and wide, but how do we know when it's coming? Armed with technology and knowledge, scientists stand guard against El Niño. They vigilantly monitor the Pacific's surface water temperatures and atmospheric conditions, using a network of ocean buoys and satellites. Sophisticated climate models then ingest this data, helping predict when and where El Niño might strike next. But predicting is only half the battle. Mitigation, the other half, involves preemptive strategies that soften El Niño's impact. Infrastructure resilience plays a key role here. Think flood-resistant urban planning, drought-tolerant agriculture, and storm-proof constructions. Beyond infrastructure, there's the policy aspect. Climate adaptation policies that promote sustainable practices can go a long way in reducing the vulnerability of communities. Furthermore, educating the public about El Niño and its potential impacts can foster proactive behavior, increasing preparedness and reducing harm. El Niño, a natural phenomenon, a global game-changer, a reminder of our need to understand and respect our planet's climate. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more content about the mysteries of nature, the challenges of climate change, and the importance of environmental preservation.